I am going to teach you how to replace batteries in a Vizio TV remote. First, whenever the batteries run out, there's going to be a little emblem right there that has a thing, and you grab that and pull it back. And then you'll see the batteries. You take them out. Which, instead of starting on spring side or anything and taking them out, try taking them out on the top, the plus side first, or the side without the spring, and then you find out, and then you try to remember which they go on, and then you put them on, putting the spring on like this, like see where the spring is, you put it in like this first, like that. And then see where the spring is? I'm going to put this in first, like that. And then you put it like this, and then you find it, and then it kind of goes on. Push it in, and then test your remote, see if it works. And that is how you change the batteries on a Vizio TV remote. Bye! Subscribe!